Hi everybody, my name is Missa from Make Me Up Missa and I'm here on the Feelunique channel to film this look here, which is called I Love Blue So Much. I just wanted to go nuts with colour, so that is how we've come up with this look today. And now we're going to jump in straight to the eyes because that's going to be the main feature, and I'm going to use my NYX Ultimate Brights eyeshadow palette. I'm using a big fluffy brush and I'm going to dip into a variety of these blue shades here to start off with. I'm just going to blend that out with a bit of the lighter mint shade. I'm going to take a bigger, fluffier brush and I'm just going to blend that out using the light lavender shade in the palette. A bit of pink, a bit of orange from the palette, and then start bringing it up here. So I'm going to grab the deep purple from that palette and I'm going to place it right on my inner corner. I'm going to dip into the yellow in that NYX palette. Start to blend things into my foundation. I'm going to go in with my Zoeva pencil brush. This is the 230, and I'm going to start grabbing quite a lot of pigment on my brush. I'll do the same thing with the first blue shade that we used. Some of that gorgeous bright coral shade that's in the palette. I'm going to go in with the bright pink as well. I'm going to use my BARRYM holographic eyeshadow topper in Asteroid. Pop that on different areas and just bring a bit more texture to the look. I really want that inner corner to be the total focus. And then, just for fun, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in Gamma Ray. So I'm taking the NYX Highlight and Contour palette. This is the powder version. You can get this in cream as well. And I'm going to start chiseling my cheekbones a little. And then to bronze, I'm going to use this. This is gorgeous. This is the Hourglass Nude Bronze Light. A tiny little bit of blush. This is the Hourglass Luminous Flush Blush. Quite high up and quite far back on my cheekbones. And one of my favourite highlights, this is the Laura Geller Diamond Dust. We are going to quickly throw on a lip. I don't want to go too mad, so I'm using the Maybelline 983 Matte Lipstick. This is just quite a neutral nude. And I'm just going to pat it out because I don't want the lips to be a big feature either. And then I'm just going to pop on a tiny bit of mascara. This is the RIMMEL Extra Super Lash Mascara. This isn't really important, but I need mascara on my lashes before I put my falsies on. I'm going to take the Lime Crime Wet Cherry Lip Gloss and I'm going to use this on my lid to add that really kind of shiny wet look. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, everything I used is available to buy on the Feelunique website.